وجيل إبداع American School. Today, our lesson about how to find the area of a special quadratic. Okay, now we talk about the area of trapezium, maybe kite, any shape. Our shape today is about combined of two shapes, maybe triangle and rectangle, triangle and parallelogram, and so on. Now watch this video and then we discuss the problem.
This problem is key because students are asked to find the area of a special quadrilateral, a kite. Since there is no area formula for a kite, students must decompose the kite into other shapes and apply known area formulas. Listen and look for students who use the vertical diagonal to decompose the kite into two triangles because they know how to use a formula to find the area of triangles. While this approach could lead to a correct answer, some of these students may not pay close attention to detail. So, they think of both triangles having the same dimensions. They use a formula to find the area of one triangle and multiply that area by 2 to find that the area of the kite is 96 square.
Look here. When we divided the shape into two triangles, the first triangle have height equals 8 and its base equals 12, yes, and the second triangle, its base equals 12 and its height equals 9, not 8. So it's wrong to find the area of one triangle and multiply it by 2 because they have different heights. Here 8 and 9, but here 8 and 8, it's wrong.
Feet. Point out that the length of the left side of the kite is not the same as the length of the right side of the kite. With this in mind, have students recalculate the area of the kite. Listen and look for other students who use the horizontal diagonal to decompose the kite into two triangles with equal areas.
You know that we can divide the shape into two triangles by a horizontal line like this or a vertical line like the previous shape. Okay, here watch, the base equals 17 and to the another triangle equals 17 and the height equals 6 and here 6, so the two heights are equal and the two bases are equal, so we can find the area of one and multiply it by 2.
Some of these students may write an equation that shows that the area of the kite is 2 times the area of each triangle, and that incorporates the formula for the area of a triangle. They solve the equation to find that the area of the kite is 102 square feet. These students show a solid understanding of how to find the areas of special quadrilaterals by decomposing them into shapes whose area formulas they already know. They are prepared to use this same strategy to find the areas of polygons with more than 4 sides.
Now we watch another video to more understanding.
The essential
How can you find the areas of special quadrilaterals? Think about this question during the lesson. The pasture is in the shape of a trapezoid. A trapezoid is a quadrilateral that has only one pair of opposite sides that are parallel. What is the area of the pasture?
Let's find out.
What do you know about the top and bottom sides of the trapezoid? The top and bottom sides of the trapezoid are parallel. You can use structure by decomposing the trapezoid into a rectangle and triangles. How can you decompose this trapezoid into a rectangle and 2 triangles? Draw 2 line segments from the top vertices that are perpendicular to the base. Find the length of any missing base or height. How can you find the base of the triangle on the right?
Look here, the total length equal 18 and the length of this part equal 4, so this part equal 14. Okay, now the upper base equal 10 So they are equal because it's a rectangle, so it's equal 10. Now 4 plus 10 equals 14, so the remainder equal what?
Subtract the sum of 10 yards and 4 yards from 18 yards. Find the area of each shape. What is the area of each triangle?
Select your answer.
The area of triangle equal half times base times height, so half times 4 times 12. Half times 4 equals, yes, 2. 2 times 12 equals 24, so the answer is 24.
The area of each triangle is 24 square yards. Find the area of each shape as shown. Add the areas of the triangles and the rectangle. The area of the pasture is 168 square yards.
Hi guys, now the practical part. Open your book, page 673, and look. Okay, today I will listen about the area of a figure or a shape. Shape may be triangle, maybe rectangle, maybe parallelogram, maybe more than one shape inside one shape. Look to question number 3. In this shape, we have a rectangle and triangle. So to find the area of this shape, we find each area for each shape. We start with triangle. Remember that area of triangle equal half times base times height. So equal half times, what is base and height here? The base equals, yes, 8, and the height equal 6. Now we multiply half by 8 by 6. Half 8 equals, yes, when we divided 8 equals 4. Divided 8 by 2 equals 4. Now we have 4 multiply 6 equal 24. Don't forget the unit. The unit here meter, so root meters square. Okay, the next shape is a rectangle. What's the area of rectangle? Yes, length by width. Length equal 12 and width equals 8. Now we multiply 12 times 8 equal 96 meters square. Now the total shape equals the sum of the area of triangle and the area of rectangle. The area of triangle equal 24 plus the area of rectangle 96. We add 96 plus 24. 4 plus 6 equal 10. Up 1. 3 plus 9 equals 12. So we have 120 meter square. Number 4. We have two big triangles. The first one, its height 6 and its base 9 or 8 or 17. Yes, 17. Why? Because the triangle, the big triangle, its base is the total number of 8 and 9. Now the area of the first triangle, half times height and the base equals 17 and the height equals 6. To make it easy, now half times 6, start with half times 6 equal 3. If we have even number, we can multiply half by this number, so it will be 3. Now 3 times 17. 3 times 7, 21, 1 and up to. 3 times 1 equal 3 plus 2 equals 5, 51. What is the unit here? Inch square. Okay, now the second triangle, its height 6 and its base 16. So the area of the second triangle is the same of the area of the first triangle equal 51 inch square. Now the area of total shape equals the sum of two triangles. 51 plus 51 equals 102 inch square. The last one, question number 7. Okay, now we have a shape, a triangle. We can find its area, but here we can't find the area of this shape. Now we draw a perpendicular like this. Okay, now concentrate please. this side equal 12. And in rectangle, the each opposite two sides are equal. This 12, so this side equal 12. Okay, but here, from here to here, this side equal 14. If this one equal 12, the remainder from 14 equals, yes, 2. And the height here 7, and this rectangle, each two opposite sides are equal 7, and this equal 7 also. Now we have three shapes: triangle, rectangle, and a triangle. The first one, area of first triangle equal half times base equals 4 times height equals 7. Half 4 equals 2 by 7 equal 14 feet square. And the area of the second triangle, half times base equals 2 and the height equals 7. Half 2 equals 1 by 7 equals 7 feet square. And the area of rectangle, length by width, length equal 12 and width equals 7. So 7 times 12 equals 84 feet square. Now the area of the shape, the total or the sum of the three shapes, 14 plus 7 plus 84 equal 14 plus 7, yes, 21 plus 84. Now we add 1 plus 4 equals 5 and 2 plus 8 equals 10. So the area equal 105 feet square. Thank you and goodbye.